Hi, I'm Amar Fitwala. So, in legal investigations, written reports and visual evidence often tell different stories, right? So, reviewing hours of footage against the legal document is a slow, manual, and error prone process. Here, I present you Justitia Lens, which is a multimodal Gemini AI powered forensic assistant that automatically finds the discrepancies between the legal document and the visual evidence with full explainability. Now, what the app does is you enter the case details, you upload the legal document and its associated images. Now, this is where the AI comes into the picture. Now, our AI analyzes the reports as well as the evidences, extracts the key claims from the reports, cross verify it with the evidences, and then finally flags the discrepancies. Okay, so now looking at the case one, officer reports suspect reached into the right waistband and produced a metallic object with a roughly 4-inch blade. But our AI reports that the suspect is pulling a silver iPhone out of his waistband based on the evidences. And this discrepancy is flagged into the discrepancies section here. Now, the analysis says critical discrepancy. Officer reports describe a knife with 4-inch blade, but a video evidence shows the object was a smartphone with lit screen, not a weapon. Now, this is one of the discrepancy. There are other discrepancy also flagged by our Gemini AI. Now, in the second case of protest arrest, now the legal document claims that the officers issued a verbal warning at 2:32 p.m. and they waited for 5 minutes and then deployed the spray at 2:39 p.m. Okay, but the video evidence shows that the officers deployed the spray at 2:32 p.m. 15 seconds, and in the second evidence it is shown that the officers issued a verbal warning at 2:33, which is after the spray deployment. So this discrepancy was observed by our AI and it is flagged in their discrepancies section. Spray was deployed 45 seconds before the warning was issued. Now, why this matters? Discrepancies like these can affect accountability, public trust, and legal outcomes. Justitia Lens acts as a forensic tool, helping investigators and court review evidence much faster, more objectively, and transparently. By combining the multimodal reasoning, timeline alignment, and explainable AI, Justitia Lens turns evidence review into a verifiable, auditable workflow. Thank you.